In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Pipedrive WhatsApp. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have WhatsApp connected to Pipedrive using the official Twilio integration so you can message leads and customers right from your CRM. First, log in to your Pipedrive account. It helps to use an account with the right permissions, ideally an admin, so you can install apps without hitting any access roadblocks. Once you're in, look for the More menu in the top navigation. Click that to reveal additional options, then choose Marketplace. This is where Pipedrive lists verified apps that plug directly into your account. In the Marketplace search bar, type WhatsApp by Twilio. You're looking for the listing titled Twilio SMS and WhatsApp for Pipedrive. Open the app page and take a moment to skim the description and the permissions it requests. This integration needs access to things like contacts and activities so it can send messages and log them against deals and people. If you work in a team, make sure everyone is comfortable with the permissions before proceeding. When you're ready, click Authorize. This starts the secure handshake between Pipedrive and the app. You may be asked to confirm which user or company account you're installing it for. Select the appropriate user and click Next. If your company has multiple pipelines or teams, choose the context that matches where you plan to use WhatsApp the most. On the next screen, click Allow and Install. You'll likely see a brief redirect as Pipedrive and the provider sync. Keep your browser tab open and don't refresh while it processes. Now follow the on-screen prompts to complete the integration. These steps typically include connecting or confirming your Twilio account and selecting a WhatsApp-enabled number you'll use to send and receive messages. If you're just testing, you can use a number configured for WhatsApp in a trial or sandbox environment, but for production, you'll want a fully approved WhatsApp business number. The prompts may also guide you to set basic preferences, like which pipeline or user owns messages by default and how activities are logged back to Pipedrive. A few practical tips as you finish up. Double check that your chosen number can receive replies, verify your sender name and business profile match your brand, and send a quick test message to a contact you control to confirm delivery and logging. If you don't see messages appearing in Pipedrive, review the app's permissions and refresh the page. And if you encounter installation restrictions, ask your Pipedrive admin to grant marketplace access. That's it. Your Pipedrive and WhatsApp integration is ready to go. Happy messaging, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.